Hi guys! Hello, welcome to Junbi Vlogs, ang pamilyang gala na laging gutom. So yan guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Whistler's Campground dito sa Jasper. So mag-register muna tayo guys.
So we're here at the reception. You're in loop 53.
53, okay.
Yeah, and then site D. They're all in alphabetical order.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
sure.
You have electricity, water, sewage hookup on your site. You don't have a fire pit.
I don't have a fire pit.
Not on your site, no.
Oh.
Yeah, you have electricity though, and you have water.
Can we use like a portable one in there or something?
Is it propane or is it?
Yeah,
no wood fires. If you have one that's propane, you're allowed to use it.
But
Portable
wood,
ones.
we're not allowed to
No
use.
wood. No.
What if we have like those like our own, like a barbecue thing, something like that for?
You can use your barbecues. Yeah. Just no wood fires.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just remember to be mindful for the bears. We have bears in the area, so always keep a clean campsite. Your food should always be in your trailer.
Yeah.
Never leave it out. Only if you're eating or preparing it, it should be out of your vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah. Other than that, I think you're good. We do have a few food trucks here as well. Coffee in the morning and Mexican food truck at night. And we have some interpretive shows happening here in the evenings as well.
Okay.
At 7:30.
7:30.
Yeah.
Every night.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
This is one way, right? Going to there.
There's two ways. You can go either way you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just be closer.
This is the better way to go left out of the parking lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. And this is what we see on our way to our campsite.
They're coming. Where's the other one? Nasaan? May isa pa. May isa pa dun. Dampay na.
Ang taba nila, no? Lalaki no?
Ayaw. Alo.
Grabe, ang laki ano?
What's your name?
Are you Vince?
Are you Kamank?
Kumak? Maybe, are you Bordago?
It said yes.
Huh?
It said yes. How about Carnival?
Carnival. Okay, see you.
See you,
Bye
Carnival.
bye.
See you in our campground.
See you.
Ano tawag dito, Dad?
Again.
Cabin? Hindi na. Cabin? Ay, cute oh. Marunong na bahay, no?
No, I'm gonna be the.
Ang ganda.
I'm gonna be the baby, and you will be the mommy. Okay?
It's the campground. Parang wala namang mga masyadong park. Ang dami pa. Hindi ba tayo yung ibang space pa? Hey. So you stay there na, ha? Yeah, 2 days. Not years. Okay, there? Full hook up kami, guys. This is our view.
So yan guys, andito na tayo sa kampingan. Pero huling gabi na namin ngayon. Umuulan, malakas ang hangin. At ito guys, may biglang nagpakita. Ayan, ganda ng rainbow. Wow. Ganda no? Nasaan yung isa? Wow. Ganda no?
Clear.
So ito yung campground ng Whistler Jasper. So yan, ang ganda dito, bundok, yan yung bundok, at yung sa taas yan yung Skytram ng Jasper. So kung gusto nyong umakyat sa taas, pwede kayong sumakay sa tram, like the cable car, or how you call that one, or a tram, Skytram. So yan, ganda ng place dito, very quiet and relaxing, kasi nakikita mo mga bundok, tahimik, mga tao tulog na. Joke. Mga tao tahimik lang din, walang masyadong ano. Kaya yun, doon banda yun, mga bundok rin, ganda rin ang mga bundok doon. So ayan, yung site namin is 53D. So yung dito full hook up to 53. So ABCD paikot. Itong paikot na to puro full hook up. So ibig sabihin nun, may tubig na kami, may kuryente, at may sewer na.
Dad! Dad!
Hey!
Hi!
Hello! Itong banda na to, ganda. Maganda sana yung mga site doon banda, yung doon, kasi may mga puno. Yun, kung nakikita nyo yung site na yun doon, may marami pa doon. Maganda doon kasi may mga puno. At saka doon banda, doon din. Pero fully booked sila guys ngayon. Dito may bakante na 2. Baka mamayang gabi may darating na dyan. Kasi nakabook yan eh. Actually yung Pilipino ang dito sa kabila namin, yung kabilang site, yung bakante dyan, yung bakante dito katabi namin, ito Pilipino, mga Pilipino ang nandyan. Kaninang umaga lumipat sila doon banda, yung doon sa may mga puno, kasi nga may nakabook na dito para ngayon. So baka mamayang gabi pa yan darating. Medyo madilim-dilim na kasi. So ayan,
we're going home.
guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Thank you guys, see you on our next video. Bye.